Welcome back to Initial Speed. Thank you very much for tuning in. Oh man, I am excited to say the least. I am off to Drive Fest. It's about an hour and a half, about 2 hours away from where I live. Last year I saw a Bugatti, I believe it was a Chiron, and a McLaren. I don't remember what McLaren it was, but they both had transparent paint, meaning the paint was so thin that you could see the carbon fiber weave through it, and I thought that was freaking amazing. Let's see what else is there. Alright, hold on. Hey, look who we picked up.
What's going on?
One more on the trip.
Yeah, ready for the show?
I'm ready. You?
Yeah, man.
Sick.
Hey, I forgot to get him headphones. It's gonna be real loud here.
We picked up 2 passengers, and now we are at Canadian Tire Park, is it called?
Yep.
Most sport.
Formerly known as Most Sport. It'll always be Most Sport to me. So we are here, finally. I'm sure you can hear the cars in the background. Oh man, there's one passenger we picked up, and the other one is my nephew. Oh. Need I say more? Oh man, let's go check everything else out. You ready?
Yo, that was too cool, man.
That's a nice
Holy
entrance.
shoot. Yeah, that's nice.
I'll take that.
It's a good way to
any day.
start, you know?
Oh,
the show.
for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. All right, let's get into this place. Oh man, look at this view. This view from up here. That's where all the vendors are, all the cars, the pits. And then over there in the distance, that's where we parked last year. Try something a little different. Oh look, they've got a building for showers. I guess that makes sense.
I would run 265, or should I just do the classic
255?
255.
That must be a Supra.
No, it's a BMW.
What? Look at this cage.
Got the giant wing, the big, massive.
Crazy awesome. Different generations of MX-5s, Miatas. Even Berlin Classic is here, representing. And if you know me, damn. Oh, too good. Mark II Jetta on Porsche.
I didn't try it, but LB is in mine.
Wheels.
Oh, no way.
And we're just bumping into people we know left and right. It's gonna be a good day. So this one we may have an in with. Remember this one. No, it's a Cayman. I need one of these in my garage.
If I had a replacement
4-post hoist. Sick. You know. And over there, the white Lusso. Yeah. course, it would not be fun, family fun, without Hot Wheels and Toys R Us. Oh no!
Oh, at least it's just a cone. I thought when they were pulling back the front of that car, I thought, oh dear, what have they done? But Ford's calmed down. Some of these cars before the H, the Verge. Holding up a few of these cars, so we'll have to go just a little bit to. You can see once again it's that 2020 Ferrari SF.
So now after the track shenanigans, we're up to see some of the exotics. What do you think of that? Again, if you know me, a little SF90 action. Yes, over the 720, any day, all day. Not a McLaren fan. I want an Evo. For me.
Do you classify Porsche as a supercar or as a sports car?
Yes.
Depends which one you're talking about.
Exactly.
Not when it goes out.
This is all
Sorry.
Ooh, Singer. Nice. Some more on the way down through the back. Singer lovers. The new Pagani. Crazy. Again, you can see the carbon weave through the paint. So sick. The detail is insane. I mean, look at the nameplate on the door, the calipers, the wheels dissipate the heat. Just insane with the detail. I mean, if you see the center console, all carbon fiber. Love it. Oh, 75 years of Porsche, huh? Looks like 5-0 is here. So what you gonna do if you see this in your rearview mirror? I don't know, man. See this in the rearview mirror? I might just pull over because you could probably back it up, whether you know what's under the hood or not. Omar just brought up a good point. What are you guys saying? This or that? Which one would you take, the 7 or the 8? Again, down below, let us know. 370, 240. Which would you take? Little this or that again. Down below, let us know. This one's from Nevada. Yo, this big body. Big boy rolls. But I mean, you know, they are supposed to be big. Luxury. Alright, so we got to see a Testarossa. This is all Omar. Oh, little Testarossa. Looks like an 84 model. Yep, 84 model. V12. Dang. I'm about it. Now, what would you do if you saw this in your rearview mirror? I don't know. That's nice. Huh. Must be like, I have no idea. It's got 2 air intakes. Might be twin turbo.
It is.
It is? Oh yeah, so it is. So twin turbo. Yeah, that's not bad. So they say that this is the car that was used in Too Fast, Too Furious. Pretty cool. So we're watching Time Attacks. Evo 9, I think it is. Oh, he's a little slower than everybody else. Everyone else is like 48s and 49s. End it the way we started it. Back over the bridge. Well, that was fun. Oh man, got to see some crazy high-end cars. Shh, don't tell the wife, but I picked up 2 1/64 scale cars. 2 cars that I really wanted, so. Anyhow, back to the car and home. If we see anything on the road, you know, I'll try my best to get it on film. You know what it is. It's Initial Speed. Had a good time. We out. Down below, let us know what you liked, what you did not like. It was, again, an experience. This time it wasn't so much rubber, clutch, oil smell. There was really not a whole lot of smell. We've got to come back probably next season, because I'm pretty sure this is the end. I think there are a couple more small shows, but not at a racetrack. Not that I'm aware of. One at a racetrack that I know of. Anyhow, maybe we'll come back out here and actually watch a race. I think that would be pretty cool. Let us know down below if you're interested in us covering races here at the racetrack. Again, I'm Phil. That's Omar. That's Chris. We're Initial Speed, and we're out. Good day.